In this video, we will compare Quicken Simplifi versus Rocket Money. Quicken Simplifi and Rocket Money are both robust personal finance apps, but they target slightly different financial management needs. Quicken Simplifi is designed to offer a straightforward, intuitive experience with an emphasis on tracking spending, creating budgets and managing bills, all through the easy-to-navigate mobile app. It's ideal for users who want a non-fuss tool to keep their finances simple, organised. Simplifi offers features such as real-time spending insights and customer budgets, but it is the premium version. Rocket Money, on the other hand, focuses heavily on subscription management and bill negotiation, helping users to identify and cancel their unwanted subscriptions, while also tracking their spending. Rocket Money offers a unique service where it actively works to lower your bills by negotiating with service providers on your behalf. While both apps offer tracking expenses and budgeting tools, Rocket Money goes further, providing credit score monitoring and offering premium services such as personalised financial advice just for you. Simplifi appeals for more users looking for a clean, efficient budget tool, whereas Rocket Money shines for the added features and focus on saving you money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.